This strawberry matcha sago recipe is an amazing Asian dessert with sago or tapioca pearls cooked to clear perfection and fresh ripe strawberries diced into about a ½ inch cubes. Nata de coco adds texture, condensed milk adds sweetness, and add your choice of milk, plant-based or dairy. Let's go. In a bowl, add 1½ tablespoons of matcha powder, 3 tablespoons condensed milk, and get some of your milk of choice heated up and whisk it into this mixture so the matcha is totally dissolved. Add the vanilla extract and pinch of salt, about a ¼ teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1½ cups of your milk of choice, whole milk or plant milks. 1 cup of sago pearls or tapioca pearls, perfectly translucent, 1 cup of nata de coco, and 1½ cups of your chopped strawberries. You want to mix that up really well. The key is making sure that the matcha was whisked with a chusin or with the whisk enough that it was dissolved. Chill in the fridge for 1 hour or serve over ice. And enjoy this beautiful, not too sweet Asian dessert. The best way to store this for leftovers is put it in a mason jar or some sort of glass container so it could last up to 4 days, even 5 days in the refrigerator. And you can enjoy this better than bubble tea mixture anytime you want. Please like and subscribe for more Asian recipes.